weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, here we are, kind of in a tranquil period for at least the time being after yesterday's cloud cover and slightly cooler temperatures kept things kind of a lid on the atmospheric conditions, and therefore we didn't see a lot in the way of rain. We had a little upper disturbance come through last night with a little brief round of showers, and early this morning that has moved out, but now the humidity has started to come back up, and that means, yep, we're likely to see some development again this afternoon. But as you see by radar, things are fairly quiet right now. Not seeing any developing showers, but a pop-up shower or two certainly possible any place, any time, given that very humid atmosphere. Now, that same atmosphere plus some outflow boundaries and the possibility of a big complex of thunderstorms forming in parts of Iowa and Illinois, Indiana, and then making a right turn into Kentucky by tomorrow evening has prompted the Storm Prediction Center to put up this slight risk area, which covers all of the state of Kentucky, not just the WBKO viewing area, but all of the state of Kentucky, because they're not very sure, we're not very sure, as to who is going to be affected by that powerful line of strong damaging winds, very heavy rain, maybe some hail. Yes, a few tornadoes are possible, but it appears at this point that the most prone area for that development would be through Louisville, Lexington, and then into central and eastern Kentucky, although we can't completely say we're out of the woods here in the Bowling Green, southern Kentucky area, and this would happen tomorrow night as we're looking at the prime time there for that to happen. So we'll keep an eye on it and keep you updated online at WBKO.com, on our app, and of course here at WBKO. All right, now on to temperatures, and first of all, precipitation. We did pick up 0.08 of an inch of rain with those little light showers that moved through last night. Glasgow picked up 0.03. There's 0.15 up in Hodgenville, 200 in Burkesville, 0.07 of an inch of rain in Franklin with that line of showers late last night and early this morning. Temperatures, well, they're in the mid to upper 70s to around 80 degrees like you see in Greenville right now. And of course, it is very humid. Now we're looking at dew points in the low 70s as a majority, and that means it is very, very muggy, and it's going to stay that way. In fact, you can see the haze around the hill at Western as we look live from Doppler cam. A little bit of filtered sunshine, and that's going to heat up that already humid atmosphere. 76 right now, south wind coming in at 6 miles per hour. Greenville, you're seeing a little bit more in the way of sunshine through our AAA Systems Doppler cam, weather cam network. And you're seeing 80 degrees right now in Greenville. Edmonton, our newest HD weather camera on the square in Metcalfe County. One of the stops along the 400-mile yard sale going on this weekend. You're at 75 degrees and cloudy. Glasgow's cloudy, 75 degrees there. Munfordville, you're seeing some filtered sun, 79 degrees in Hart County. No observation from the Bowling Green Airport side. They're working on that, but everybody else reporting 70s and 80s. And we're pacing about the same as we were yesterday, maybe a couple of degrees warmer than we were at midday at this hour. Now there's that line of showers last night, early this morning, passing on to the east. We're seeing no new development just yet, but give it a few hours and we'll probably see some pop-up showers and thunderstorms in a few places. But the real action is going to be out in the Central Plains, at least for today, on the tail end of this front, where an area of low pressure is likely to spawn some severe weather out in the plains today. For us, there could be that off chance of a pop-up shower, thunderstorm. The front is really not going to come through our area. In fact, it's going to retreat back to the north as a warm front because of that area of low pressure that will be causing all the nasty storms out in the plains. But eventually, that same system, after a nice and sunny day tomorrow, will start to build that complex of thunderstorms that I was talking about, and this model has it going a little bit further north and then curving off to the south and east through time. But a cold front will come through tomorrow evening, and that's our concern, is that we could see a few strong storms out ahead of that front. So that's something that we'll, of course, keep a watch of. Partly sunny, warm, muggy at times this afternoon. Chance of a shower, 86. Partly cloudy tonight. I think we'll see some fog in a few areas, especially those that pick up some rain today, 68. Then back to a muggy 87. And mostly sunny, breezy tomorrow. It's not until late tomorrow night into early Thursday that we're concerned about the stronger thunderstorms. And then a little less humid, even a little cooler on Thursday at 80. Back to 82 Friday. Some pop-up showers throughout the weekend. And that 400 400-mile yard sale going on through Sunday. We are back with more Midday Live in just a minute.